Hello guys, welcome to Tell Me Fix. In this video, I will teach you how to protect your phone or protect your important infos, accounts, and documents if your phone was stolen. But before we begin, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to help me improve my channel. So how to protect your phone, especially go to settings and then find the security button and then find the theft protection. Then if it doesn't appear, you can also try to type in the search button. Important reminder, this is only applicable to Android phones. After that, you go to settings and then you find the theft protection. This will appear, the auto lock protection, the theft detection lock. You can turn this on. It has many features. This is a new feature from Google to the Androids, like this one. You can also read this. It has also remote lock, find and erase your device. We will try to open this theft detection lock. Okay, theft detection lock. How it works: if theft detection lock detects your device was taken from you, your device will screen or lock automatically. These features: device motion sensor, Wi-Fi Bluetooth connection. Keep in mind, you must be actively using your device while it's unlocked. This is how it works. So we will turn this on. And then, what is offline device lock? Device, same. For example, your device will lock if someone steals it and turns off the internet to prevent location tracking. You must be actively using your phone. And then this remote lock, how it works on any device to Android. This is, keep in mind, please read these important reminders. This one, these are all very important. Alright, you can click the use remote lock, the button, and then the find and erase your device. If you lose your device or any connection, if it's lost or stolen, you can lock your phone. And this one, with network and high traffic areas only. These are the new features for the anti-theft protection from Google Play to Android. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.